All right, let's just quickly go over the markets. I'm using this format because it's quicker. All right, so we'll just take a look at what changes of behavior occurred. There were two in the ES, upper left-hand corner. This was one. This change of behavior had deep pullbacks, which allowed you to establish a short position. And we knew, there was all this space here, so we knew that, over here is distribution that's going to go back down, and it did. The selling pressure wasn't really that much, but it was enough, meaning it was the biggest down wave in 8 waves. And from an average perspective, it had 3.3 times the average down volume, which is very significant. So anything above 2 is noteworthy. All right, so this was 3.3 times average down volume, and it was the biggest down volume in 8 down waves. That set up the change of behavior, went back, it blocked it right here. Test, retest right here. Here there was absolutely no buying pressure here, and the market just broke down until it went to around 2450, where there was some accumulation. This structure here, I believe there was buying accumulation in this structure, because after that it had like this spring, a little shakeout, after which you had a bullish change of behavior on 2.5 times the 2.5 times average up volume. Had a very shallow pullback and then continued to rally. So this one is not really tradable in terms of a deep pullback with your stop below the low, but this one was right here. You get in on this, get in on this, this, or this. So you had multiple opportunities to enter and enjoy the ride. So this is E-mini. Now let's move on to gold. Gold had it here, so this was the buying accumulation right here. This is, after the accumulation, there's usually a shakeout. After distribution, there's shakeout, so that's very common. I've seen it a lot. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and then spikes down, and then comes back up, just like this. And usually it's shallow, not too much. This time it was a lot. Anyway, so it rallied on the biggest in 12 waves and 1.7 times average up volume, and then continued to go. If you didn't get in here, this high volume here was establishing some type of, I don't know what this is, but I would assume that this is some reaccumulation. All right, because that's what they do before the rally, and that reaccumulation can provide support. Just like accumulation distribution provides support and resistance, this reaccumulation, as indicated by the high volume, followed by the rally, can provide you with some good support. All right, and then again here, it established support. You can see the high volume up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just reaccumulation, rally, pull back to test, and they go again. And now it's tapering off a bit, All right, so let's move on to the next market. This is not really a change of behavior, although it's that like that. The pressure should have been higher, so I knew not to take it. All right, let's move on to natural gas. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what this is doing. I missed the move. I don't know where I missed it, but or maybe I have. Okay, it's right here, 235. If it goes down to this level, if this thing cracks, I'm looking at this level. All right. Next is crude oil. This thing just didn't work. I don't know what to say about this. It's just horrible. It's just not working, because there's buyers that bought this right here. You see this structure in the background? I thought it was buyers, but it could be just exiting their short position. So you don't know what it is. Is it a campaign, or are they just exiting, and who knows? There's a lot of pressure here, a lot of volume here, as you can see. And then it rallied, providing a change of behavior, and then it tested 1, 2, 3, 4. But these buyers are not stepping in. I don't know why they're not stepping in. So this must have been some type of short covering after this here. Because the thing is, this market has gone down a lot. So Yeah. Now I am waiting for a trend line break as well, and this thing didn't break the trend. It just went to the trend, so maybe that's why. But I mean, it's in a. Let's see. It's channeling down like this. All right. Now I forgot where I have the level. I don't know where I have it, but it's pointless. It just didn't work. I mean, if they work, they work. They don't, they don't. What are you gonna do, right? All right. Or this is possibly the other alternative is that this right here is a shakeout. Usually after a change of behavior, if it doesn't hold the low, there are times when they spring or shake out and then boom, blast to the upside. So this may be that. It's just too late for me to determine it. You know, I have to see how strong this is and all that. So anyway, even if it breaks out, we'll be able to catch it on the pullback. There's so much volume here relative to the day, as you can see, that pulls back and tests, provides an entry. E-mini Nasdaq. I mean, this actually gave me the clue that the market was going to go higher in the day, because all of this juice here. You see this? When it's doing that and shortening the thrust and then goes down and up like that, I like all this area as an area of support, because this is, for lack of a better word, quote unquote, cause. They say cause and effect and all that. In Roykoff, this is the cause, intraday cause right here. Euro also had a nice change of behavior. Yeah. It was going down, 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 down. They did something over here. Set up the cause and down and bang right here. This is the biggest. Oh, this is the biggest in. This is the biggest in 8 up waves, and it is 2.2 times average up volume. All right, now it didn't pull back much. It just tested this little dip, and then look at this break. Biggest break in 100 bars. That's taking out this entire area, this entire cause. This is the cause, this is the shakeout or whatever, and this is the buying rally, and then it's gonna go. It did. So I didn't get in on this. It was too early, like 7:30, I think. The other market I'm looking at right now is soybeans, because this is at a very important level. So we'll see how it handles it. If there's no movement, forget it. The new level, because there's, I don't know, maybe this right here is some type of activity. See this? Just down, up, and then goes down, and volume increase. That could be some type of activity that's relevant, but I just don't have enough evidence. And we also see, look at the selling waves. You see the decreasing selling waves as price is going down, volume is decreasing. Usually that's a sign, and it's up to the bulls if they want to take advantage of it. You cannot say this is bearish. It's not bearish, but it's not bullish either. Okay, because it will not. Generally, yes, this is part of a bullish information. But until the bulls come in and confirm, otherwise the heavy volume selling can just reignite. So this is saying that sellers are declining, they're diminishing, but the buyers need to take advantage of it. If they don't, then there's no point. They'll continue to drift. Either a high volume or low volume will just continue to go down. But yeah, it's at a critical level, and we'll have to see what happens. All right, that's all I got. Have a good day. Bye.